Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 8a with a cracked display, and maybe this is just on the glass, but it's perfectly working. So currently the smartphone is working, the tempered glass is cracked, the display underneath it is very much cracked. So we know that we have a working smartphone and we can recommend a screen replacement for our client. This is going to be a straightforward one because it's a Google Pixel. We start by removing the broken display itself, but the problem is we don't have gaps on the sides where we can pry open the device. So we'll start with our thinnest tool, plastic one. And this is not for the glass itself. We are not really worried that we can crack the front display a little bit more because it's already right off. But we're gonna be gentle with it so that we don't scratch up the surface of the frame itself. So we go with a thicker tool, a metal one. I'm gonna pry it open on the corner, and the glass is already cracked, so it's kind of flexible on those areas. Here we're also slicing it through. We're spraying some alcohol so that we soften the adhesive. We also applied heat, but it took us a while. Google Pixel 8a put up a fight. From the factory, the adhesive strips are quite strong. We have to be very gentle, just like an iPhone. We lift it up from the right side and a 90 degree or less than a 90 degree angle. We expose the connector. We have a retaining clip. Remove that, lift it up, and now we can free up the display. So we are gonna prep the display. We have adhesive residue all over the frame and some shards of glass. And then remove that. In this case, if you're not technically inclined or you're not a pro technician, you have to be very careful. Those shards of glass can shot up to your eye or any other parts of your body, can cause you injuries. So you have to be very careful. Although we can recommend that you can DIY this fix. It's quite simple, straightforward. You need some patience and some specialty tools, but unlike other smartphone models, it's quite easy to do. But if you don't have proper precautions, it can also be dangerous. And it will be dangerous. So we're test fitting the replacement display. No adhesives yet. Turning this on, and it turns on. Brand new look once again. You can see there, no more scratches. It's a brand new replacement display. And it's safe for us to shut this phone. Maybe perform some tests first. Here we go. It will take a while to boot up. Unlike iPhones or other devices, we don't have to transfer any hardware components behind the display. So it's just plug and play. You buy a brand new display, install it, and you're good to go. Shut this phone down now. Touchscreen is working, colors are all good, no dead pixels. I think we're gonna clear the cache on this one. There you go. Totally advanced stuff. There you go. We can now shut this phone down now again. Remove the display, apply our own liquid adhesive, install the display, close it up, and give it back to our client. I'm gonna clean up some camera lens and some sensors. and just enough adhesive so that we can install our new display. It's not going to be as strong as the factory one. Also, it's not going to be waterproof on any other repair devices we have. It's not going to be the same as factory. So it's just going to be enough so that you can use your smartphone safely. And later on down the line, if you want to have it serviced, you can heat it up and remove the broken display and repeat the cycle. We promote repairability on all devices. If you can repair your device, we highly recommend that you do so. It's cost effective, it saves the environment, it saves your data. Also, it's minimizing financial burden on your part. You don't have to shell out a lot of cash to get a brand new device that you don't really need. On a Google Pixel 8a, if you want to buy one brand new, it's quite a lot compared to just replacing the display with David here, or even in your local service technicians fees. It's not going to be that much. We know that the cost of a brand new smartphone should not be a burden to you, so we match the service fees with the actual cost of a brand new device that you're trying to fix, so that it's going to be a win-win. A win for the environment, a win for you, and a win for us. So we're going to show you the before and after. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.